What's the meaning of cont? Cont. Cont.
Cont. Cont. Cont is an abbreviation commonly used to represent the word continued. When used in written or printed materials, it indicates that a particular text or section continues onto another page, column, or line. This is often seen in articles, books, and other textual content where space is limited and it is necessary to divide the content into multiple parts. By using cont as a marker, readers can easily navigate to the next part of the text to continue reading uninterrupted.